Ah. Good morning to all our amazing viewers and beautiful friends. Welcome to Career Talk on our episode 44. Today, we will discuss about managing stress. Have you been stressed lately? Stay tuned and we will navigate this topic together. Sharing the screen with me are my lovely best friends, Kim and Roselle. Kim, who will introduce our special guest formally, and Roselle will facilitate the discussion. Please take it away, BFF Kim.
Thank you, BFF Agnes, and thank you for this opportunity to introduce our guest, our special guest. So without further ado, let me say something about him. Our guest for today, for this special episode, is no other than Kent Corona Zuzubrado. He is 49 years old and was born in Calbayog City, Samar. Right now, he ventures out into real estate and construction material importation. He was working as a sales representative to various car dealers in Cebu, and he also spent his time studying German language, hoping to find greener pasture in Europe. And I speak blessing to you in this venture. Now, without any delay, let's welcome our awesome guest, Mr. Ken Corona Zuzubrado.
Yay!
Welcome!
Hi,
Thank you,
Ken.
thank you, thank you. Hi, hi. Hi, everyone.
Salamat gyud nga imo ming gi-accept ang among request sa invitation. Salamat kayo.
Of course. Di lisod balibaran, no?
Gusto ba?
Anyway,
Oh my God. Kisa mag-invite ni mo kinsa man?
si Kim, I think.
Dili gyud ani mo mabalibaran.
Dugay na kayo po, diba? Last year pa.
Last year niya. Usas nakapasugot na ko kay pag-ingon nga April next year. So, dugay pa. Basin malimot na ni sila.
Ken, dili malimtan
Sus,
kay nakalista.
Nakalista gyud bitaw. Yeah, every day si ko gunhona ba na dugay pa until such time naabot na gyud ang time. Oh, this is it. Dayon gyud.
Ken, murag akong paminaw, Ken, imong cellphone mo na stress para karon.
Gani.
Lagi no. Okay, ready na ba ka sa akong question?
Cool ba?
Dili oy, magchika-chika lang gud ta. So okay, so I go on na. My first question to you, Ken. Okay? So what are some of the biggest sources of stress in your personal and professional life, and how do you manage to balance them?
Okay. Actually, there are lots of stressor kuan man gud no na to mention few, of course common sa mga tao is financial problems, ingon ana no, kana ganing like mo deal ka with unexpected kuan kanang expenses no, na kana ganing sa ako time sa una kuan kana happy go lucky gani nga type ka tao na since salesman ka daghang kag kwarta na niya gasto dito niya malimot na lang gani nga uy na kalit lang ingon nga ay naamday ko bill naamday ko ana gani. So kana siya very very stressful good kayo kay mo timing gyud ba nga kana ganing mahutdan na sad kag kwarta niya ana na mga but ang mga bayro nun. So magkabuang sad ka asan sad ka mangita ana and every day hantod karon murag ingon ana gyapon ang hitabo ba no. So very very stressful jud kayo, and also kaning work related issues issues mo na kanang nakay conflict sa imong mga katrabaho, like ako sa una, kuan mo nga type nga tao kanang dili gani kibaw mo atubang og problem, like kung nakay ka conflict sa akong office sa una, dili gani kanang like i-settle ang issue ana likay ra ko di lang ko nung tagad nimo ingon na o ingon na ako nga type no kanang biyaan ka until mawala lang ang problema ano ba kumbaga time heals or ingon na pero although karon lang I know sayop siya pero ana ko nga type sa una and also kanang mga relationship conflict usapod na sa kanang nagpa-stress major kuan gyud nag-contribute og kanang stressful life is kanang ganing everyday ka struggle although natay trabaho pero kana ganing murag naaman unta kay kwarta naman ta kay sweldo pero pirmi lang gani kang nagtungas murag ana I don't know if na nag-get ninyo akong bot sa bot no so
Murag
yun ana
rat race.
every day ingon ana so moabot man na lang ang usa ka tuig ana same thing mahitabo last year this year ingon ana ang life gani wala siya kuan wala siya kahumanan nga mga problema kumbaga so, ingon ana like mana siya financial problems work issues mo na I think ang sources of stress na po.
Okay. Thank you for sharing, Ken. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean that is the reality. You know, a lot of people's gonna relate on that because that's the reality. That's part of life.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing.
Can I have my question?
Yes, go ahead, BFF.
Okay. Hi, Ken. Thank you for accepting our invitation.
Yes.
My question for you is, you mentioned a lot of stress that you have experienced. Are there also early warning signs of stress for you?
Actually, naagud na siya.
Sorry,
Okay.
nawala.
Hello.
Okay, BFF, welcome back. Okay, go
Okay na?
ahead, Kent.
Okay. So to again, imong question is by early warning.
Yes.
No?
Are there early warning signs of stress for you?
Of course, naa na siya, pero usahay man good ang tao kanang pabida ba like macho effect ba nga like kaya ra ni kibaw ko ani adto ko paingon ani nga pero dili lang nimo tagdon gani dili mo tagdon ingon ana ang life nako sa una so kibaw gid ko nga kung buhaton ko ni mapaingon gid ko dito nga problema pero murag mo labi gid na bahala na kaya ra lagi di masulbad ra gyapon ni ingon ana gani so wala ang hitabo buhaton lang gyapon masin kibaw na untay signs na dili na siya angay dapat so maglabi gid ang temptation ba na ana buhaton siya
Bitaw, no? Tama. I agree with you. Sometimes we shake it off so early and then we don't even handle it, di ba? Parang,
yes.
magkadako ug dili na to i-handle ang kuan sa permiro pa nga warning signs. Yeah. Thank you for sharing, Kent.
You're welcome.
Kas, okay na ka?
I don't know. I just wala ko hilabtan. Mukalit lang siya share.
Oh.
I don't know what happened.
Oh,
But anyway, sige lang. Kung mahitabo na, just keep going. I can hear you anyway. Yeah.
Okay.
Sige. Sorry
So I
about
already
that.
gave my question, BFF. So maybe BFF Kim has a question.
Okay, BFF Kaz.
Yes. Ken, thank you for sharing those three things that you encounter as your
No
stressors.
problem.
So, ang question is katong i-share halimbawa katong financial aspect nga kanang happy-go-lucky ka and then makurat na lang ka kay naday kay mga obligations or siguro mga responsibility na need to address. So how did you address that? I mean, how did you change your perspective on that area nga aron dili na ka ma-stress?
Okay, actually at that time, no, wagi ko gibuhat. I didn't do anything na kanang malikay or dili na mabuhat usab ana, no. Wala. I mean, balik-balik ang panghitabo ingon ana din siguro for now makaingon ko na it took me 40 years to kanang absorb everything na karon pa nako mas masabtan ang tanan hitabo nako for the past ila ka years pa, no. So grabe. So siguro blessing in disguise na nahitabo to nako sa una ang mga ingon ato, then wala karon I'm starting to like look for remedies na dili na ko ma-involve kung may ingon atong problema like financial problems, like kailangan gid mo i-manage gud kung unsay naani mo, kailangan contented ka kung unsa ray naani mo ana gani. So dili kani like mangarap gud na gusto ko aning butanga ana maskin naauntay mas angayan pa nga gamitan sa money ana gani. So siguro karon I learn a lot na kailangan gud ang tao mag-set og goals gud, mag-set ka og goals o sige most need gud nimo o prioritize mo everything ana.
Wow, thank you, Ken. So it means to say learning how to prioritize, identifying what's really unsay importante yun.
Yeah, unsay mas importante mo ay unahon, oo.
Yeah.
Dili gid needs nimo nga kano.
Thank you for sharing that. That's amazing. Wow. Okay. I'll move on with I apologize. I don't know what happened. Maybe my internet is something wrong with my internet. Okay. So Kent, thank you for sharing that, Kent. And I go on with my second question.
No problem.
Okay. Can you share a specific moment when you felt overwhelmed by stress and what strategies or practices help you overcome it?
Okay. You know what? Balik-balik na ko yun think na kung saan ako pagsulti, do I need to share this ano ba, no? Pero nahunan ko is ang purpose magud ani sa inyong show, no, is to share sa mga viewers or sa mga listeners na at least makuhaan nila o lesson, di ba, no? So I prayed na unta okay lang nga ako ning isulti. Actually, dili man ni secret sa akong life, pero that's why I told Kim na kanang before katong pag-invite ingon ko na wala man goy kanang sa to Kim wala may nice sa akong life, so di unta ko ganahan mo accept the invitation ba. So anyway to answer the question, no, I was overwhelmed by stress katong when I was incarcerated. I think everybody knows, no, mga classmates na to, no. I was in prison for almost 4 years.
Oh wow.
I did not know about
I did not know that.
I didn't know about that either.
Thank you for sharing. Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
Okay.
Thank you for sharing that. You are so
Thank you for
brave, Ken.
sharing.
no problem, no. So ako lang para makuhaan kog lesson sa uban, no, like katong young age, no na kana gani dapat kuan gyud, dapat mo likay gyud sa kanang things nga imong tanan imong buhaton, dapat you think twice or even 1,000 folds na bago nimo buhaton ba na asa ba ko paingon ani after unsay may tabo nako ana gani. So tungod man gud sa kanang usapod sa una na kana gani, like it all started with I broke up with my wife, then everything nga naa nako is vanish in one click na tanan guba tanan gyud sa life. So mo na nahitabo to, then also thankful pug ko nga nahitabo sa to siya kay that was my turning point pod na karon. That's why I said na it took me 40 years in my life na kana ganing ma-realize tanan na unsay akong past life is dili na gyud dapat mahitabo, no? So thankful ko, shout out ni Cicero ug ni Jonathan, akong mga best buddies na wa gyud mo biya gani kuan.
Shout out sa ila ha.
Shout out to
I
your
hope they're watching.
besties.
So
Nakahila ko,
mao to siya.
Ken. Sorry ha. Nakahila
Ako and
ko.
try to
Well,
kuan
thank
ka
you so
ng
much.
hold
Na-touch
my
lang ko
fears
ba?
ba?
Sorry to interrupt ha. Na-touch lang ko kayo mong share ang imong personal life. Thank you so much.
I needed to, no, para di pa kuan ba maka-learn og lesson sa uban na dapat gyud di ta mo rely sa atong self decisions, dapat sa kuan kita kanang mo ask kita og musik kita og guidance sa Ginoo gyud wala.
Wow. Wow. Thank you so much, Ken.
That's very
Thank
nice.
you. Yeah. Sorry ha. Hilak ko manggod ko. Nakahilak. Nakatuwa dyan akong luha ko nga. Nakatuwa akong luha.
Kaya hindi na ako ma-view sa camera.
Mga BFF, na may additional question. That was amazing. Thank you.
Ako BFF.
Okay, BFF. Go ahead.
Thank you for sharing that experience you had in your life, Kent, and
Yeah.
I think you are so brave to do that. Was there ever a time that you were in denial at some point?
Like denial, like of what happened, no?
And
Siguro at first first 1.5 year in prison, mura ko kanang di pa gani katuo na like hitabo bagud ni ana ako ni, tapos naingon ani ko or gana ba, no? Like until such time na anim ko na siya namong goy kanang uban maingon na oy kung di mo mapreso di mo doon Ginoo ana gani. Pero dito man gud sa prisuhan wa mo kay choice, kanang kinahanglan gyud ka mubuhat sa ipabuhat sa guards, no? We call them empleyado, so we call them employees ang kanang mga guards. So tanan nilang ipabuhat kinahanglan gyud mo buhaton, so wa kay choice. Kumingon sila simba gyud ka, kumingon ka basag Bible or else bunalan ka or ba. So like ang dili nimo ginabuhat outside, mabuhat gyud nimo mo nang kung in good faith lang gyud kay abot nimo sa prisuhan, kung naalang gyud kay aim ba nga mabag-o gyud ka dito. But I'm not saying na you have to go to prison para mabag-o ka, no, pero
of course.
oo, kay naa naman ka dito, so no choice, naka surrender gyud ka everything, no? Kung gusto ka magbag-o, so
that's nice.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, I know BFF Kim has a question.
Yes. I would like to appreciate Ken for showing his vulnerability to us. And I know it's not easy, especially in this kind of setup that it's public. Everyone can, can listen to this live. So, Ken, thank you for that. And my question to you
No.
is that for those 4 years nga naa ka sa prisuhan, so where did you draw your strength na makasurvive ka? Usually, kung na yung mga negative circumstances at it will make us bitter, it will make us kanang indifferent bitaw, but as we can see you today, you are very positive, you are very full of hope. So where did you draw that strength?
Okay, of course, sa akong mga anak, no, sa akong family, no, na bisan sa hitabo, supportive gyapon sila, no. Kita nila ang willingness nako to change. That's why mo na akong gikuhaan og strength na kailangan ang tuson nako ni kailangan kuan ra ni maabot ra ang time na mahuman ra gini tanan ana. So I kuan sa akong mga anak, no, family, friends.
Wow.
Thank you,
Thank
Ken.
you so much, Ken. I'm sure a lot of people will, like watching this. That was so brave of you. Thank you so much. Okay. So, my next question to you, Kent. How do you think men can break the stigma around discussing mental health and stress, especially in the workplace or within their communities?
Okay, siguro kuan lang yun. Being aware or educating yourself about mental health problems siguro can be a start of breaking the stigma, no? Kay syempre kabalo naman ka, na-educate naman ka about ana, so kabaw na ka mo handle to people na imo ma-meet na ingon ana. So ana ma-avoid nimo ba ang kuan ang panghitabo kung well educated ka or aware ka na, no? And one thing, you should never judge someone na dunay ingon ana nga panghitabo gani, you should never judge someone is going through kay na kuan. You might what might look easy for you is maybe not for us, for someone else, di ba? So wala, kailangan lang gid nato dili sila i-judge or like sa akong side, no. Thankful po ko kay so far wa ko kasugat og tao na like nakahibaw na asa ko gikan unsa ko sa una na mingon na dili ta na niya oy gikan sa prisuhan, dili ta na niya kay ana na siya sa una ana. So I think mo na kailangan aware ang aware ta sa kanang nadaanan sa tao and dili na to siya i-judge.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Yeah, you're right. Thank you so much, Kent. Thank you. BFF, do you have additional question?
Kas, I
Yes.
would like lang to confirm with Ken nga tinuod ba nang giingon nila nga for men's perspective, lisod ba mag-share of problems sa fellow men po ninyo? And then, di ba kay oftentimes men are viewed as strong, dili gani muhilak sa una sa gagmay pataingon tag pag ang lalaki muhilak murag kuan siya, di ba? So so unsa man gyud Ken is true lisod sa inyo ha mag-share of problems sa uban.
No, dili ko kasultino in behalf sa mga lalaki, no. Pero for me parang ako siguro para nako lang na akong self point of view, lisod kayo. No man ang ako kung naamgi ko yung mga problema mo nang kuan ako kanang hilom lang, tago lang ya. Siguro uban maka-notice pero ako I'm type of guy na kanang mulikay gid ko problema sa una. Muna tanan problema na ko magpatong-patong. di, di man ako siya good na like sulbaro ni siya kay para the end of the day humana imong problema ugma lahi kung naamgay problema lahi nasad ana or ano ba ako wala maglikay na wa ko'y di ko gusto i-share og tao which is sakto unta nga i-share kay para matambagan ka so muna I think lisod siguro para nako na ang mga lalaki mo share og problem sa uban.
Yes. BFF Nest. Go ahead, BFF.
Okay. Thank you, BFF Rosel. So, Kent, you said na on your sa imuhang kaugalingon lisod ang mag-share, lisod ang kanang imo lang i-keep sa imong self. So anyway, unsa man po imong coping strategies
Actually,
sa imong stress nga naagian?
sige ko hunahuna ba giunsa na ko sa una. I don't have a strategy, wala ko'y gibuhat, wala. Siguro maayo lang gyud kayo siguro ang Ginoo ba na okay? Siguro how did I manage them before ba na wa man ko'y gibuhat, wala sagdaan ra nako, bahala na. Siguro ang Ginoo na as a other way of doing things na dili nimo dili ma-notice ba. Pero siguro like karon na time hapan ako na notice ba nga no daghan na din gibuhat sa Ginoo nako kay akong problema sa una akong mga pasagdaan ra nako antud naabot mo sad ko karon na time na medyo di ko kaingon wala na problema pero at least lesson and kanang gaan ba na mapangitaan na dayon og paagi ba and kibaw na ka mo deal sa imong problem ba no so wala ko sorry wala ko nabukat nga kung giunsa to nako pag cope up siguro do na pero wala ko kabantay ana ba.
Wow. That's amazing.
Let me say something. I think somebody out there is praying for you.
Yeah.
Maybe. Kung kinsa man siguro siya, thank you.
Yeah. Because I really do believe na there are people out there na they can be angels in this world for us. Na they're offering prayers for you. Yeah. So I really
probably
believe that.
Your parents can.
Surely yes. Ako mama lang.
Wow. Amazing. Thank you, Ken. Thank you so much. So that's it for me, unless my BFF will add more question aside from their question.
I'm good, BFF. Thank you.
How I wish we have more time with you, Ken, because it seems like you have so much experience in life that I'm sure a lot of people wants nakarelate
gani daghan tang gustong isulti gani pero limited ang time so
yeah, thank you, amazing.
Sige lang.
Thank you, Ken, for sharing.
Nalipay me. Thank you ang Career Ladies nga finally naakadiri nga imuhang gi-share ang imong kuan, and I'm sure a lot of people are watching and
I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of Career.
Oh, thank you. We admire you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so that's it for me.
Kent, do you have any greetings you want to make to your family, your loved ones, to your friends?
Siguro for some friends na kita ko they're watching, that's why naratol ko kay nanggawas ang mga names ako mga friends na for siguro wala shout out lang nila.
Okay, shout out sa mga friends ni Ken o sa iyong best friend.
Yeah.
Hello. Thank you,
Okay,
Ken, for
back to
giving us
you.
the opportunity.
No problem, no
Thank you for
problem.
giving us the opportunity
Yep.
to be our guest, and we
Yeah.
admire na you share. I know it's so much to share, and thank you for trusting Kareel Talk, and we really admire you. We admire you
Thank
so much.
Thank you.
And also, you said before we let you go, you said na Akay, you're studying German language. So, pwede ba ka mo share one phrase? Kahit greeting lang.
Hallo alle. Was mussten Sie mir sprechen?
Oh,
Wow.
Wow.
so what are you saying?
Dankeschön.
What does that
What are you
mean?
saying?
Ingon ko, hello everyone. Unsay gusto niyong isulti nako? O sa inyong gustong akong isulti?
Oh,
Ikaw,
I see.
okay.
Wow.
Dankeschön, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Ken.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
You have a blessed Sunday to you and your family.
Yes, kamusad. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ken.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
Hopefully, second part 2 ha. Hopefully na may part 2. I want you to be back to our career.
Yay. Yes.
No problem.
Maybe-
No problem for Kareel.
Maybe ang location ka sa Germany na siya mo join, no?
Kani,
Uh-huh.
mainta.
Yes,
Hopefully.
Pohon.
Pohon.
Sige, hopefully.
Thank
Okay.
you, Ken.
Bye. God
Thank
bless.
you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, God bless.
Wow.
Wow.
Amazing. Hala, wa dyan ako damang aning to. Nagkalit akong luha. Kaya you know how it feels to be a man telling that side of his
Story.
story.
Yes.
I gained so much respect of him. Grabe akong I'm not really wala ako kayo, although schoolmate nato siya, classmate nato siya, no? Pero I don't know anything about Kent ba? Kuan lang yun, ana. But I did not know na he's very smart. I can tell he's a smart man.
Yeah.
And I gained so
Well
much
spoken
respect.
siya, no?
Mm,
Well spoken.
yeah.
Yes.
Nakuan ko kanang mura bag na-stand ko niya ba? Oh, good for you, Kent. I'm so proud of you, and I have so much respect of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And right now, would like to give our reflections. And the first one that will give her takeaway is BFF Kim. Go ahead, BFF Kim.
Yes. Thank you, BFF Agnes. This is a very heartwarming and emotional episode. And 3 things I captured from Ken's sharing. First, when Ken mentioned how important it is to seek God's guidance and don't trust on your own wisdom, I'm reminded of the verse in the Bible in Psalms. I think it's Proverbs chapter 3. And it says there that trust not in your own wisdom and knowledge, but trust God instead, because He will give us the direction. He will make our ways successful if we are going to do that. Second, I'm also blessed by what he said, that in order to manage stress, we have to prioritize. We know what we really need and set up goals and stick to that. And third, I also appreciate how important it is to have a support group, like friends, loyal friends who nga kanang masaligan jud bitaw nato na when we share our problems, they're not going to judge us but give us the understanding. So that's all, BFF. Back to you.
Amazing.
That's nice, BFF. Thank you for sharing that. BFF Rosel?
One thing also I cup in my heart is don't judge. Yeah, know what people's been through, just listen to them and don't even judge. We don't have the right to judge other people. We have to remember that everybody need to be reminded. Kay sa ato man good sa mga tao, it's very easy for others to judge. Kung unsa ilang makita, unsa ilang madunggan, without even knowing the whole story,
Correct.
Dali lang kayo. And then one more thing is we have to think 10 times or how many million times before we do something, know the consequences. Yun na. Yeah, maulang to akong kuan. Yeah. Akong nakuha kay Kent. And okay, back to you, BFF Ness.
Thank you, BFF Rosel. What you said was really true, and that was very nice, and I agree with that. I just want to add a little bit more on what you said. Dapat good pod we don't have to create stories pod, Dapat ang tinuo lang, have facts.
Yeah.
Never na mag-create ka para lang you get what you want.
Mhm.
That's not a good thing. So,
Yeah.
and also, we as human beings, sometimes we create mistakes, It's not all the time, but it doesn't mean that you cannot redirect your life. You will always have a chance to change, and you will always have a chance to make it correct.
Yes.
So I would say that let's live our life, live our life to the fullest, learn from our mistakes if we did make one, and then move on. Live your life to be a God fearing life, and the life that God has given you na a good purpose.
Yeah.
A good purpose in the earth.
Yeah.
So,
Amazing
so
episode.
that's it.
Thank you, BFF Ness. What an amazing episode, no? I really meant it na hopefully na atay part 2 with Kent. Because the
I know,
was
right?
there. Yeah.
Yes, because he's really well spoken, and then naagid siya yung mga insights nga mahatag pod and moral lessons nga ma-learn
Yes.
nato and to our
Yes.
viewers.
Wow.
Mga
Thank you.
BFF, sorry, I cannot hear you clearly.
Oh, mo
Something
ba?
happened sa
clear.
akong phone katong nanawag na ako ganina sa
Oh,
mga
clear
bata.
ka na
So,
po,
galit na
BFF.
kahinay.
You sound
Kas,
clear now,
man ka.
BFF,
Pero clear
but
ka
I cannot see your face.
You can hear me?
Yeah, very
Yes,
clear.
very clear.
But I need to paduol akong dunggan sa phone para madungog mo na ako.
Oh, okay. So
So,
anyway,
at least mahuman naman po ta BFF.
yes,
O, lagi
yes.
na?
Yes.
Sige.
So
Thank you for
anyway,
your
thank
sharing.
you everyone for watching Kareel Talk, and
Yes.
hopefully you're gonna watch us next week for our next episode.
Yay!
And I
Thank you
appreciate
so
you guys.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kareel. Thank you.
Tay mga
Love you.
viewers ato sa silang tagdon.
Minsan.
Oh yes.
I
Oh,
saw
yes.
the name of Philip ganina
Yeah.
and also your brother.
Yeah, my brother Ronel. Hello, Manong Ronel. And then Russell, our BFF beautiful Russell. Thank you so much for watching.
And Auntie Miguelita
Auntie
and also
Lita is there
Eden.
too. Yes. Thank
Eden
you,
Olaer, Auntie Miguelita, hello.
Yeah, hello, everyone.
So-
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Kareel Talk episode 44.
Yes.
Bye. Happy Sunday.
Bye.
God bless.